Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that notification bell so that way every time I put up a video you are notified. So now that I got that out the way, so today's video I wanted to do just a quick tutorial on how to get these individual crochet passion twists. So we are in lockdown, and I know a few states had opened up, but New York is still on lockdown, and I am getting asked a bunch of questions. I'm even getting booked on style seats still of people asking me, am I taking appointments? So, no, I am not taking appointments. I am going to wait. Even when we start to kind of come out of lockdown, I kind of want to wait like a month or two after before I start taking clients, just because I live with people. I don't want to expose nobody to anything, and I don't want to expose you to anything. I'd rather you keep your money and you learn from me than you spending money and potentially exposing yourself. So, got that speech out the way. So, this was super quick and easy. As far as like the time that it took me to do this, I'm going to say it took me hours only because, hold up, don't get too scared. It only took me hours because I was watching snowfall as I was doing my hair. Then I was like doing other things. So I would say that if I wasn't watching snowfall and not being distracted, I would say this probably would take about like 4 hours, maybe less, depending on how big your hair is. I mean, not how big your head is, how much hair you have, all that stuff. But I would probably recommend maybe parting and braiding your hair first, and then maybe the next day just crocheting it in and entwining it into the twist, or you could do it all in one day. But yeah, for me, it just took hours only because I was distracted and I wasn't solely focused on my hair. I was just doing mad other stuff. So I ordered from Sam's Beauty. That's where I got the hair from. It came pretty fast, I'm not even gonna lie, especially because they do have a notification up on their website saying that the shipping may be delayed due to COVID, but it came pretty fast for me. So I got this Expressions. This is the Twisted Up Pre-Twist Passion Bohemian, and this is 30 inches, and this is color 1B. Now the only thing with Sam's Beauty is that a lot of stuff is sold out, so like all the like nice colors and stuff was sold out. So hopefully when you go to buy, you are able to find the color that you like, but I had to just end up with 1B. I am grateful. I ain't complaining because it's hair. I was able to do my hair, so it is what it is. As far as the texture, I actually have some hair left. Oh, as far as packs, I was reading the reviews, and one lady was saying that she brought 8 packs, but it wasn't enough, so she had to buy more. So I feel like you would need more packs if you are corn rolling your hair and just looping the crochet in. Then yeah, I would advise you getting more packs. But if you're doing what I'm doing, which is an individual crochet for your whole head, for me, I only needed I brought 8 packs, but I wound up only using 7, and this is what I have left over from the 7th pack. So that's why it all depends. I mean, if you have a bigger head and you have a lot of hair, I would say maybe do like 8 or 9 packs just to be on the safe side. But as far as the hair texture, I do like the hair texture. I'm not really a fan of like that shiny type of hair. Oh my God, really, you guys? Really? Where are you in a rush to go to? You're going nowhere. Oh, God. Sorry. As far as the texture, I like it because it's like, it kind of feels natural. I love like any of my like braids, any of my braids, my twists, and my dreads, I like it to be a little coarse a little bit, just so it looks more natural. I don't like that shiny stuff. It just looks too fake for me. But anyway, but yeah, the texture is not bad. It doesn't get tangled. It's super lightweight. Like, I know it looks like I have a lot in my head, but it's super light. I only feel just a little tightness, and I don't even want to say tightness. It's like, when you like just put your hair like in a ponytail and it got a little snug. It's like a little snug, but it's not like, oh my God, like how the Africans braid your hair. It just feels like that, but it's not, even with that, it doesn't feel like heavy. I don't know how to explain it. So now I'm going to get into the video. my camera had died, so this is why my intro and my outro is going to look different from the actual tutorial video. So I'm going to show you how I achieved this look, and yeah, so keep watching. So I did the rest of my hair off camera, and I left 2 pieces out so that I can show you guys how to do this. So I'm going to part this in half. I'm going to use this comb. I like using this comb better than the other rectangle comb that it's a little bit thicker, because I feel like with this you can get more of a precise part. So yeah, I'm just going to part this in the middle. My parts in the back is not the greatest because obviously I can't see in the back, so that I'm not even worried about. But I tried to get the front as clean as I can. Alright. So I'm just gonna section that off. And then I like to try to comb my hair out. Just because it helps better to blend within the hair. So I'm going to take this Kiss Colors and Care. This is the Argan and Macadamia leave-in conditioner. And I like to saturate my hair with this because my hair, it just sucks up so much like moisture. So anytime I do protective styles, I like to just make sure that I saturate it with product. And I'm going to take some castor oil, and I like to put this on my ends. Even when I'm doing my twist outs, I like to put castor oil on my ends and in my roots, but I put oil in my roots yesterday because I washed my hair, so I don't want to put oil again in my roots and it just be all clogged. But the ends I like to do to kind of seal it. And then I like to bring whatever is left over in my hand and just bring it to the top. And then I'm going to take this Shine and Jam conditioning gel, which is extra whole. I actually seen this on somebody's YouTube, which I don't remember whose YouTube I saw it on. And I started using this on my clients. Everything that I use in my hair, I use on my clients. Because I don't know. I never want to put something in somebody's hair that I've never used before. That's just something I just don't like doing. So anything I use on my clients, I have used before. And I just like to just put this on the hair to kind of like clean up that part and just make it look all nice and clean. And I like to make sure I rub it in. So I'm going to start with a box braid. I'm going to try to make it as tight as I can. And just going to braid it down. I like to try to braid it until I get almost to the end, but it also depends on like how big the braid is. Like obviously you can see this braid is kind of small, so I'm not gonna continue to braid it all the way down too much, because when it's time for me to take it out, I hate taking out like micro little braids, especially if it's my hair. So I'm just gonna twist it out. And then once I get to the ends, I just like to kind of just wrap it around my finger to like curl it and make sure that the oil and all that product that's on my fingers kind of just seals it, even though I need to cut my ends, but whatever. I'm going to braid this one on this side so you guys can see again. So I'm going to just comb it out. Take some of that Kiss leave-in conditioner, saturate my hair with it. You can honestly use any leave-in conditioner that you like. You don't have to use this one. Whatever conditioner, leave-in conditioner that you like to use, whatever works best for you. Take some castor oil, sew my ends. Again, you can use any type of oil that works for you. This is just what I like to use. And I'm going to take some of this Shine and Jam, or if you want to use jam, or if you want to use Eco Gel, whatever you want to use to kind of just clean up the part and make it look nice and fresh. Whatever gel works best for you. Just make sure you work it in. And I'm just gonna braid it. So now I'm gonna take this Passion Twist and I'm just gonna like open the loop a little bit. And I'm gonna take my crochet hook, and I hope you guys can see, but I'm just gonna put it through the base of the braid, and I'm gonna take the crocheted hair, put it on the hook. I really hope you guys can see. I'm gonna close the crochet hook, slide it through the base of the braid, and push the hair back, and the hook should be open. And then I'm gonna take the crochet Passion Twist along with my hair, so they're gonna be together, and I'm gonna put it on the hook, close it, slide it through that loop, and pull the hair through the loop. And you want to make sure that you close this tight, like just push down on the loop. So it should be like this. Now, oh my God, I hope you guys can see this. I'm going to open this and slide the braid through. And you want to make sure that you keep the twist kind of tight. You don't want to make it like open the twist too much. But I'm just going to open that. And you just kind of gonna like weave it through. Kind of like if you're crocheting. So you're just going to keep open it. Weave it through. And you're just going to like move down and just keep opening. Weave it through. Oh God, I hope I'm explaining this right and easy and you guys can see like what I'm doing. And just, so I'm just pretty much opening it, sliding it through. And you just make sure, like you see like right here, like how the twist is kind of loose. You want to make sure you twist it back to its form. And you're just going to weave it through. Like that's pretty much what you're just going to do. Just going to pull it down. You're just going to keep going down. And just try not to open the twist too much because you don't want it to like loosen up. And if you feel like it's like loosening, just like twist it. So yeah, you're just going to keep doing this. Just keep going down. And let me speed this up. So you want to keep going until the ends is like, so you get all the way to the ends, and then you could just like wrap it. So it should look like this. So I'm gonna do another one just so you guys can see. I'm gonna just take the crochet hook. It's open. Slide it through the base of the braid. Put the loop on it. Close it. Slide it through the base of the braid. You're going to take the hair along with the braid of like your hair, obviously. Put it on the latch, close it, slide it through the loop. Pull it through, pull the hair through. And And you're going to just pull that down so that it's nice and secure. And you're going to start at the base of that twist. And you're just going to pull through the hair. And you're just going to keep weaving it through the twist. So just like, damn, I don't know how to explain it. Like, you're just like just going down the twist, just put it through. Like, and try not to like do like a big gap, because then you can see your own hair, like you'll see it. So you want to go through like each, I don't want to say each twist, but like, I guess each loop in a sense. It's hard to explain, so I'm hoping that the way I'm showing you, it makes sense. Because you don't want it, like you don't want to put it through here and then come all the way down here and then put it through there, because then you'll have this sticking out. So you want to like kind of, it's like you're wrapping it around one of the pieces of hair, if that makes sense. Because that's pretty much kind of what it is. And you're just going to keep going down. End, just because you get to the end don't mean that you're done. Like, you want to make sure that that hair, like this is the end of that hair, and I'm just making sure that it just tucks in here, and that should be the twist. So I hope the video wasn't too confusing. You're just weaving it through the twist, just weaving it through as if you're like sewing. Think of it like sewing. You're just weaving it through, and I hope that it helps you. Don't worry, I will be taking clients soon, so it's not like this is going to be a thing that I'm just not going to be taking any more clients. It will happen just when I feel that it is safe, you know, but I would try to make more videos like this. I do have a video on how to do individual crochet faux locks, which I do have on my channel, and I'll make sure to link it either on the top of the video, or I'll definitely put the link in the description bar so that you guys can see. And I will see you guys in my next upload. And actually, let me know if you would like to see more hair tutorials, like protective style tutorials. I am open to doing more videos like that if you want to see it, so just let me know. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next upload. Bye.